Snapchat is a popular messaging app, but did you know that you can autosave your chats? In this video, I will show you how to enable this feature so you never have to worry about losing important conversations. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to autosave chats on Snapchat. To get started, first open up the Snapchat application and then go over to the Chats section. Once you are on this screen, open up a chat and then tap on their name at the top. So now what you want to do next is tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on Chat Settings. And it will show you all of these options. Simply tap on the third option. Delete chats. When should chats be set to delete? And it is currently set to be deleted after viewing. Change it to 24 hours after viewing. So now, if you send or receive a message, it will be available for 24 hours, and if you leave the chat by accident, those messages will be available for you to read. You can also tap and hold any message and tap on Save in Chat to manually save that specific message. Right now, these are the only two options to save chats on Snapchat. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.